What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the simple process of transferring Solana from your Binance account to your Phantom wallet. Following the steps will ensure a smooth transfer and help you manage your cryptocurrency effectively. Make sure that you have an account on Phantom wallet. And since you already have an account from Binance, the purpose of this tutorial is to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom wallet. So first locate the Binance app. After you locate the Binance app, tap to open it. Make sure that your Binance is already logged in. From here, go to the Wallets tab, which is located at the bottom right of the screen. While we are in the Wallets tab, tap on the Spot tab located at the top of the screen beside the Overview tab. While we are in the Spot tab, tap on the Withdraw button, and since we're here to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom wallet, from the Withdraw tab, type in the search bar Solana, or SOL in short, to search on Solana. If the Solana appears, tap on it. The pop-up notification appears at the bottom, and it has two choices. Let's choose or tap Send via Crypto Network. Now the Solana asks for details, especially the address. To get the address, let's open the Phantom app. While we are in the Phantom app, tap on Solana. While we are in Solana, tap on Receive. The address appears. It's up to you if you want to scan a QR code or tap on Copy to copy the address. After copying the address, let's go back to the Binance app. In the Binance app, paste the address. Now choose a network, which is Solana. Enter the withdrawal amount. After you enter the details, tap on Withdraw. If they ask for a two-factor authenticator, do it. And congratulations, you have successfully transferred Solana from Binance to your Phantom wallet. Remember to double-check all the addresses and amounts in future transactions to avoid any errors. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.